Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an org chart in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to visualize your team structure and make it easy for everyone to understand the reporting hierarchy at a glance. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Google Workspace, as this will give you access to all the collaborative tools you need. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your recent files and folders. From the dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your org chart. This could be an existing sheet with employee data or a new one you've set up specifically for this purpose. The key here is having your data ready before we start building the chart itself. Now, once your sheet is open, you should see your data laid out in columns. In my example, I have two main columns, employees and reports to. These two columns are essential because they establish the relationship between team members and their managers. The employees column lists all the names, while the reports to column shows who each person reports to in the organization. This structure is exactly what you need to create a functional org chart. Next, highlight all the data in these columns. Click and drag to select both the employees and reports to information, making sure you've captured everything including the headers. With your data selected, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Chart. This action will automatically generate a chart based on your selected data, though it might not be the right type just yet. You'll notice that a chart editor panel appears on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Chart Type. You'll see a long list of different chart options available in Google Sheets. Scroll down through these options until you find Organizational Chart. Once you spot it, click on it to apply this chart type to your data. There you have it. You've successfully created an org chart that visually represents your team structure, but we're not done yet. You can further customize and adjust your org chart using the chart editor on the right side. Here you can modify the data range if you need to include or exclude certain employees. You'll also see options for ID, parent, and tooltip, which control how the chart interprets your data and what information appears when you hover over each position. Additionally, there are checkboxes for switch rows or columns and use row 2 as headers. Make sure to check use row 2 as headers if your first row contains column titles. This ensures Google Sheets correctly identifies your data structure. And that's it. You now have a fully functional org chart in Google Sheets that clearly displays your organizational hierarchy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.